Welcome to Voices English. I hope that you enjoy these lessons as much as we enjoy having you here. First, we're going to start with some expressions that you're going to use in class. We're going to learn how to pronounce them, and we're also going to combine them with some examples. So let's start. Repeat after me. I'm confused. I'm confused. Like that. So for the letter M, don't forget to press your lips together. I'm. Don't say I'm. I'm. And confused finishes with a D. For the letter D, point the tip of your tongue up and hold there for a second. Confused. I'm confused. Don't say I'm confusing. That's a common mistake. Now we have 3 questions that are very similar, so you can use any of them. First one is, can I say, can I say? Extend that sound. Can. Don't say can. It's can. The tip of your tongue is behind your lower teeth. Can. Can I say, for example, can I say I live in the United States? Can I say I live in the United States? And your teacher will answer, yes, you can say that. The other question is it okay if I say? Is it? Put that together. Is it? Is it okay if I say, for example, is it okay if I say I live in the United States? Your teacher would say, no, it's not correct. But you can say, I live in the United States. Or, I am living in the United States. The other question is it correct if I say, listen, correct, don't say correct. Is it correct if I say, for example, is it correct if I say, I have 30 years old? No. But you can say, I am 30 years old. That's correct. This one you're gonna love. Pronounce. How do you pronounce that word? How do you pronounce that word? Or you can ask directly, even if your pronunciation is not correct. How do you pronounce Tuesday? Okay, so here comes the correction. Thursday. 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 Good job. If your teacher uses a new word, then you can ask, how do you write that word? How do you write that word? Or, could you please write it? Could you please write it? Listen, could. Don't pronounce the letter L. It's silent. Could. Could you please write it? Or, could you please type it in the chat? Could you please type it in the chat? Good job. Sometimes when you're not ready, you can use this phrase. 1 second, please. 1 second, please. Wait a second. Wait a second, teacher, please. Wait a second. Or, I haven't finished yet. I haven't finished yet. Please, wait a second. I haven't finished yet. Now, if you're ready, you can always say, it's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn. Or, I'm ready, teacher. I'm ready. I'm ready. Now, let's go over some instructions or questions that you're going to hear from your teacher. First one is, are you sure? Are you sure? Are you ready? Are you ready? Go to page. Go to page. Go to page. Read the instructions. Read the instructions. Repeat after me. That's super important. Repeat after me. Answer, please. Answer, please. Pair work. Pair work. Work in pairs. Work in pairs. Repeat that again. Repeat that again. Repeat from the beginning. Repeat from the beginning. Speak up. Speak up. Notice I'm not saying speak. Speak. Speak up. Some of the times your teacher needs you to relax. So you're going to hear things like listen. Listen first. Okay, slow down a little. Slow down a little. Sometimes you're going to make mistakes, and that's perfectly fine. We're here to learn. So this is when you're going to hear expressions such as, okay, let's try again. But first, or, okay, I understand, but we need to make some corrections first. Good job, but we need to fix something first. Now, when you don't make any mistakes, you're going to hear things like, good job, good job, nice, nice, nicely done, nicely done. That's good. That's perfect, perfect. And my favorite one is, see, you can speak English. Play the video again, listen to the expressions, and practice pronunciation. But you need to listen to the sounds first. Now, if you don't have time to do it right now, you can always come back later. But you need to come back because practice is key.